Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension is called Gmail Snippet. It saves your time, compose and enter email while using three words. Do you find yourself having to write the same emails over and over? We know it's time to consuming, so it is for you. So now you can compose and enter email just by typing three words. Simple shortcuts lets you save and be more productive. So for this, what we need to do is add it as an extension, and this is the icon bar. So I have already added it, and this is after adding it you can see the icon also here in your Gmail. So let's click it here. Now you can see it here has so many kinds of shortcuts. If you write answer with a backslash, it will write I will get back to you shortly with an answer. So I'm going to add something more by myself. So what I'm going to do, it's called by, and the name should be by, and the content should be by I can't talk to you right now. I connect you. I will connect you later. So let's save it. Now you can see I have made this. Okay, so let's click it done and let's compose a message. I'm going to show how it works, like with using a backslash, and I'm going to say hello, how are you, and then you're going to write with a backslash, they have a fantastic day, and then you're going to write well, happy, I'm very happy. So you can, now I'm going to say use my, see, you can see that I have written the bye I can talk to you right now, I can't you later. So yes, so this is how you can write an email with a very shortcut with just a second. So this is, I can say the Gmail snippet is very helpful and it saves you time from minute to second. Thank you for watching.